Welcome back to Echo to Fluency Shadowcast.
I'm Noah.
And I'm Bella.
Today's topic is don't love, be love.
Sometimes care feels warm only while it is returned, praised, or appreciated.
Let's begin with 7 simple sentences about love without conditions.
Real love does not keep score.
She helped him without expecting praise.
The old dog stayed gentle with everyone.
His kindness did not depend on being liked.
She returned the wallet and walked away quietly.
A small act of care can ask for nothing back.
Love can remain steady when moods change.
Now, let's explore these ideas.
I used to think love always needed a warm response.
Same here. A smile, a thank you, or at least a friendly message.
Then I watched my aunt care for a very grumpy old dog.
The dog never looked grateful, did he?
Not once. He looked personally offended by breakfast.
Some dogs have very high standards.
But she fed him, cleaned his bed, and sat beside him every evening.
Her care did not rise and fall with his mood.
Exactly. She was not performing kindness to get affection back.
She was simply caring because care was already in her.
That feels different from doing something and waiting for a reward.
Yes, because the waiting can quietly become a bargain.
I once helped a friend move house and expected endless gratitude.
Haha, and you probably got one tired message saying, "Thanks, mate."
That was exactly it, and I felt strangely disappointed.
The disappointment showed me that part of my help had a price.
That is honest. Most people notice that feeling at some point.
Love seems lighter when it is not carrying an invisible invoice.
An invisible invoice is a perfect way to describe it.
Let's carry this idea into 8 more practice sentences.
He left water outside for thirsty birds.
She spoke kindly to the waiter after a long delay.
The child shared his snack with someone new.
Her care for the plant continued even when no flowers appeared.
He checked on his neighbor without needing thanks.
One rude moment did not erase years of care.
She treated the quiet cat as gently as the playful one.
Sometimes love is simply present.
Now, let's return to the conversation.
The bird example also makes me think about love beyond people.
Yes, a bowl of water on a hot day may help an animal we never even see.
There is no thank you card from the magpie.
And the plant never applauds after being watered.
Still, someone keeps caring for it.
That kind of care is quiet and ordinary.
Very ordinary, but perhaps that is what makes it real.
It also does not ask whether the animal, plant, or person is likable.
Right. A playful cat and a nervous cat may both need gentleness.
Even with people, one difficult moment does not always cancel care.
Care can remain, while distance or boundaries remain too.
So, being love does not mean approving of every action.
It can simply mean that care is not turned into a reward system.
You have completed today's Shadowcast lesson.
Well done for staying with every sentence.
You do not need to memorize them all.
Listen again and speak the lines out loud.
See you in the next lesson.